This is the Philips Latte Go 2200, and this is where you add the coffee beans, and you can choose the coarseness. This is the milk container, and here we have the water container that comes with a hardness filter as well. So these are the drinks that this machine can dispense. It can dispense espresso, simple black coffee, or cappuccino, or simply hot water. So to start, after adding the coffee beans, the milk and the water, you can simply choose your drink, cappuccino in this case. I can choose the bean strength, so this is the maximum. I'll set it to medium, and this is the volume of the drink, so this one also I'll set it to medium. And now I simply press play and the drink will be dispensed. The beans are being ground. So coffee is dispensed, you can add sugar and it's ready to go.